Why does this tape measure have two completely different systems on it? One side's simple and the other side looks like maths homework from 1892. If you're still using inches and fractions for DIY, we need to talk. I'm in the UK and I use metric. No fractions, no guessing, no weird eighths of an inch. Today I'll show you how to use the tape measure the right way, and my centimetres are for dummies. Inches, half inches, quarters, eighths. It's like you need a bloody calculator to cut a bit of wood. Try and explain 3 11/16 to a 10-year-old or even a grown adult. Good luck with that. Millimetres are precise, no decimals, no fractions. Builders, architects, anyone that knows what they're doing uses millimetres. Want to measure something at 520 millimetres? Easy, no converting, no math. Look, I'll show you. We're going to take the last number off. We'll look for that later. Look for this first. 5, 2. And then the last number, 0. Nope, no more. That's exactly where it is. Let's look at another one. 1, 3, 7, 6. Take the last one off. We'll count that one later. Look for 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7 there. And then the last number is 6. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's there. Centimetres are like a middle child, not big enough for large stuff, not small enough for detail. You'll never see a building plan say 32.5 centimetres. It will say 325 millimetres or 0.325 metres. Use the metric side. Read in millimetres. Ignore everything else unless you like making life harder for yourself. So ditch the fractions, forget centimetres. And stop measuring like it's the 1800s. Metric is cleaner, faster. It just makes more sense. Hit the like button if you've ever struggled with 5:30 seconds. And subscribe if you want more no-nonsense DIY tips.